Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable double click the side button to end gather access with Face ID on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on settings. Now in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on accessibility. Next, scroll down to the general section and tap on gather access. Make sure you tap on gather access toggle button to switch it on, and then tap on passcode settings. Down here, tap on Face ID. Tap on the toggle button to turn on or switch off Face ID for gather access. And when this is turned on, you can double click on the side button to end gather access using Face ID. So let's take a look at the demo. So here I'm going to open the App Store. Then I will triple click on the side button and start gather access. So I'll tap on the start button and I'll put in the passcode. Now if I want to end gather access, I can simply just double click on this button. And you can see it says gather access ended. Now if I start again, so gather access started. So normally, if I want to end gather access, I need to triple click 1, 2, 3, and then tap on gather access, and I need to put in the passcode to end it. So I tap on the end button, and it says gather access ended. So instead of doing all that, I can use double click. So here I can double click, and that will allow me to quickly end gather access using Face ID. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.